Hello, all Clat aspirants and law entrance aspirants. I am Adv Dinesh A, Director of Job Secura Calicut Law Center. Very proudly and confidently, Job Secura Calicut Law Center is stepping into its 9th year. And the Clat exams, the schedules are already on and you will be appearing for it on May 13th. It's time, my good friends, for a rigorous and a conscious, intelligent efforts to score high marks in the coming Clat exam. As you know that only conscious, intelligent efforts can bring quality to your life. And if you are aspiring for a quality score, enabling you to get into premium law schools of India, come and join the crash course which we are offering from April 2nd onwards. All the subjects will be handled by experts in their respective domain. Law professionals are there who is having immense experience as well as eagerness to groom students in the legal reasoning part also. You know, current affairs is an area where you can expect questions from anywhere, and it requires a lot of question bank in front of you, which will help you to at least make a valid guess as to the right answer. Something like 25,000 plus questions we are training the students in the coming 40 days. There will be model tests every day which will enable you to ensure speed as well as accuracy. The combination of speed as well as accuracy is very key because we have negative marks here, and each score will fetch you, or rather it's very costly. Maybe for a 0.1 score you may lose a good rank. We are so keen and eager to groom all who are very keen to get into premium law schools. Right from our first batch, we are very happy to say Adit, our student, got into National Law School, Bangalore, the best law schools in our country. Even in our last batch, we were having Alex Thomas, who got into National Law School, Calcutta. Consistently all the years, we were able to place our students to premium law schools in the country. It is the commitment of our team. It is our 9-year-long experience. It is the kind of questions we in-house prepare and develop, looking at the different possible combinations of questions you can expect. Job Secura Law Center, Calicut is just opposite to Malabar Christian College. We are starting our fresh batch on April 2nd. It will be a continuous batch wherein you will be exposed to something like 25,000 questions by the experts in the respective domain. So if you are looking for a better score, the best score in the coming Clat exam, join Job Secura Calicut Law Center, and we are so passionate and keen in nurturing careers in law. Wish you all the best. Let us meet in person and utilize this opportunity and get trained by the best in the field. Thank you.